Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the injection molding process. So let's get into this video. In this process, plastic granules are inserted inside the hopper and it consists of a heated cylindrical component surrounded with the heaters, so that the plunger is used to push the plastic granules through the heated chamber where it melts to a liquid state, and then with the help of the mixers it is forced to inject into the cavity of the molds. The molds consist of one is fixed mold, another is the movable mold. Finally it cures and then the part can be taken out. This procedure, or the raw material in the form of a powder or a pellet, is introduced through the hopper into the cylinder. Then the hopper is a tapered container. Inside the cylinder there is a plunger or a piston which is used to move the material from the cylinder into the mold, and a heating arrangement is placed above and below the cylinder. The mold consists of two halves. It has a mold cavity, and molds has the two ejector pins. And as soon as the plastic is melted, it is pushed by the piston into the sprue, through which the material would go into the mold cavity. The cavity is allowed to cool so that the plastic can be able to solidify. Finally the part can be taken out. There are some stages of the injection molding are clamping, that is two halves of the mold are tightly closed. Injection of the plastic, then cooling, the plastic cools to go into the solidified state, then ejection, the solidified part is taken out. The important applications or characteristics are the production rate is high. It is based upon the clamping and declamping time, and injecting time, the filling process for the plastic into the cavity, then short volume, the amount of material that is injected, and pressure and cycle time. High pressure causes the molten metal to solidify to a greater extent and at a minimum time, and cycle time can be reduced. Materials used are acetate, acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, and cellulose acetate, etc. The advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are high production rate, minimal wastage of material because the process is done in a closed cavity, so that wastage is minimum. Fine and complex geometry can be easily produced. Disadvantages are tooling cost is higher because complex geometry needs complex tool design, and higher setup cost, and large undercuts cannot be formed. Undercuts means if you want to have a container with some of the projections at the bottom, it cannot be made suitably. So, and applications are, it cannot be used to produce, can be used to produce the thin walled plastic products of varying size, plastic housings of different tools, and daily use products such as toothbrushes. So this is a short video about the injection molding process, friends. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge. And finally, please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos. So thank you for watching.